Hello guys, so if you're looking how to get birthday offers on your Starbucks application, if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So firstly, go onto your website or application of Starbucks now to get the birthday offers or free drinks or any beverages from Starbucks for free. So for that, what you have to do is just simply create an account. So while you're creating an account, just simply make sure to enter your date of birth. So firstly, let's do it. So after entering your initial details, just simply hit continue and then it will send the OTP to the number. Now just simply wait for your OTP to receive on your device. So after you receive the OTP, just simply enter that and enter your date of birth. Now make sure to enter a proper date of birth because the month when your birthday will fall, that is the only month when you will get a free beverage or a drink from Starbucks. So be careful when you enter a date of birth and its month. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.